Breaking news coming in now from Parliament, where 6 Rajya Sabha members have now been suspended for the rest of the day over what is being described as grossly disorderly conduct. Akhilesh joining us with the latest on that. Akhilesh, who's on that list? What more do we know?
Well, all 6 belonging to the Trinamool Congress MPs, they all been suspended by the chairman for the rest of the day. The chairman has invoked the rule 255, and under that rule, they have been suspended for the day. In fact, in the morning, the chairman had warned all those agitating members that they should return to their seats, and they were displaying their placards and all. And these are Dola Sen and Nadimul Haq, Abir Ranjan Biswas, Shanta Chetri, Arpita Ghosh, and Mausam Noor. These 6, they are belonging to the Trinamool Congress. They have been suspended for the rest of the day. And Shantanu Sen, who is another TMC MP, he has already been suspended for the remaining term of the session. And but we have spoken to Derek O'Brien, who is a TMC MP of Rajya Sabha and the leader of the party in the Rajya Sabha. He has told us that at 2 p.m., when the House meets again, all the opposition MPs will protest the suspension and the action taken by the chairman.
Right. He's also tweeted about that, Akhilesh, and in that tweet he says 2 p.m. in Rajya Sabha today, come watch the entire opposition unite. And then he talks about dictatorship, and with that hashtag Khala Hobe, which became Mamata Banerjee's slogan during the Bengal Assembly elections. Are we really now seeing this sort of standoff between the Trinamool and the government just hardening over time as the days progress? What is this suspension actually going to achieve? You were reporting earlier on, several bills being listed for passage as well today.
That's right. I mean, there are just 6 to 7 days remaining of this current monsoon session, and the government is hopeful to for the passage of remaining bills. The Business Advisory Committee in the meeting yesterday had allocated 17 hours for the passage of these bills, and the government is hopeful that despite the disruption by the opposition members, the government would be able to pass all these bills in the Rajya Sabha. But of course, the standoff is continuing, and by this suspension, the opposition party may get united, and it may be difficult for the government to get all these bills passed, because the opposition is very firm, and they are saying that the government should immediately start discussion on the Pegasus matter. But on the other hand, the chairman has informed the House this morning that a notice given by Samajwadi Party leader Ram Gopal Yadav to discuss the farm bills and the farmers' issues, they will be that matter will be taken up. So if that is being taken up for the discussion, that may actually break the opposition unity. That is the government is hoping for.